Let's learn how to shade every alternate rows in Excel. This is the data range I have. All I'm going to do it is that I'm going to shade every alternate row so that the visuals will improve. To do that, you can go to Home and Condition Formatting. Under that, you can bring New Rule. Okay? That you can use a formula to determine which cell to format. So here I'm going to write the formula, MOD, mode formula, row, we are going to do it, comma 2, every alternate one. You can also put like 3 and all that, and equal to 1. Every alternate row, it is treated as 1, and you can give format. In the format, I'm going to use this brown color. Give OK, give OK. Now you see this. So you can easily see the visuals and all that, right? So every alternate rows have been well shaded and all that. So this is also one of the cool feature we have. Using simple condition formatting as well as using simple formula, we can achieve this result.
I'm going to show you a cool tip in Excel, which is there in web Excel, that is excel.new. If you enter in the Chrome, so the web version of Excel will come up like excel.cloud.microsoft, and you can even activate using your personal email ID also as well, right? So the file has opened up, and in this, what you can do it is that you can just enter control and then backslash, right? So if you give that control backslash, this will come up. For example, all the shortcuts you can find it here. So whatever the shortcut is required, and you have a tiny drop down also is here. All shortcut, if you want related to accessibility, again you have, right? And if you want relating to formatting, you have like bold Control B, and underline is Control U, italic is Control I, right? Straight through is Control +5, and so on. So the flash fill, how to do everything. Control E is flash fill, right? And then if you wanted to open the format, control 1, all that is possible. And you can, if you want, you can convert that percentage, control shift 5, right? We can convert like date format, shift 3, you can date format, and then time format is shift 2, and so on, so on. And then you also have navigation up, down, and so on. And you have a review and all overriding shortcuts. These are all overriding shortcuts. And then you have a browse reserve shortcut. This will work only in the browse, like insert table, right? Table is, that control T, but in the browser, it is slightly different. You can find it here. And furthermore, similarly, this is specific to browser, right? And then you can just see that enable common shortcuts. If you want to enable shortcut, and you can go to learn mode. So this window directly Microsoft support.microsoft.com will open up. And again, you have a specific to Windows, and then you have Macs and Android web, everything. And then you also have frequently used shortcuts. For example, if you go to the frequently used, these are all the frequently used shortcuts, and so on. So this is very, very useful. I find it very useful. And remember how to do it. Very simple. Go to excel.new and then hit enter, control backslash, right? Control backslash. When you do that, this will come up. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe channel. You have wonderful day ahead. In our previous video, we learned how to create a dynamic any month calendar. With that, we are going to stretch the discussion and find out two other factors called how many we have working days in a month, how many holidays we have in a month. To do that, what we are going to do it, we are going to stretch a simple formula. With that, we can achieve this. So the same table I'm going to repeat again. For example, 2026 year, and first month Jan has got 31 days, in which 9 are holidays, that is Saturday and Sunday, and 22 are working days. How to find out? Very, very simple. And let's say this is the one which we created last time using sequence formula. The same thing, I'm just converting into text. Let me do it actually from the beginning so that you will get an idea that how this can be calculated. So formula is text, because I need only the text value, the day value. I'm going to give DDD, day. So with that, it has given Thursday. And for example, now I have done that. I have stretched the formula. It applied to all the cells. With that, here, a couple of formula. This is the main part. If R, I'm just giving tab. If this value, right? If this value is equal to Saturday, or if this value happen to be Sunday, double quote, comma, we can say it's holiday. And you can change also as well. For example, instead of Saturday, Sunday, you can put Friday, Saturday, or anything. So, and then else we can say it's a working day. Now you see that Thursday is working day. And the idea is that if anything Saturday, Sunday falls, it should pick up and give as a, yes, as a holiday, right? So let's stretch So now again, it has given the same thing. I mean, working day it has given. Let's figure out what we have done wrong with the formula. So here we have not given, we can give equal to here. And with that, I'm just stretching it here. So now with that, we are able to achieve this one, right? So anything Saturday, Sunday, so it has given holidays. And anywhere we have other than Monday to Friday, it has given working days. So for example, first month has got 29% of holidays, that is Saturday, Sunday. And if I go third month, that is also containing 31 days. So it has the same, 31 days and 9 days. When 9 are holidays, if I go 5, so 5, again, it has updated this value, right? So 10 days and then 21 days. And if I go to 7th, example, 7th, again, it has updated. And then if I go 12th month and all that 12th, that is December calendar coming up, and then you have all the values. Even not only that, we can also change the year also as well. 2027, I'm just giving it. And again, it has automatically updated as per that date. 2025, if I update it, so it is automatically updated, right? So let me reverse back to 2026, and I'm just changing back to January, and you can get an idea that how this is calculated. I hope you find it useful. Thanks. Switch function is very useful and efficient compared to if or if IFS. That formula is used in multiple criteria. So switch is a better one. Let's see how we can make use of it. I have a three different criteria. Greater than 200, if somebody had a volume of sales greater than 200, I'm going to say fabulous. Greater than 100, I'm going to say good. And less than 100, I'm going to say catch up. And you can substitute for many other scenario also as well. For example, for a school subject, let's say greater than 80, I'm going to say fabulous, and then RA plus and all that. This criteria you can customize based on your requirement. So last time we have seen emoji. Emoji, what you need to do it is that you just need to do window dot, and this will come up emoji where you can just keep inserting by adding double quote. The same way we can do it for text. Let's learn how to do it for text. You can add the formula called switch. An expression should be true. It should exactly match. So that's what it is. And this value, if it is greater than 200, I'm going to say fabulous. And just close this one comma. If this value is greater than 100, I'll say good. If not, if any other value between between 100 and 200, whether lower value it comes, I'm going to say catch up. So now it has given, since it is 267 is greater than 200, so it is as fabulous, and 269, it should also say fabulous. I mean, I have used a random between here, so the value will keep changing it. Now you see that since it is 90, follows the third criteria, says catch up. And good 118, that is second criteria, it matches. And the same thing you can also do for the same, instead of text, you can add the emoji. You can add the emoji and then you can do it. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.